Hi parents, we're here to walk you through the process of submitting an online registration. We ask that you submit an online registration for your student each year. You can find the registration link on our district website at puhsd.org under the Parents tab, or you can visit the Heritage High School website and select the blue and white icon that reads 2122 registration. Click registration. So once you've clicked select a new student registration or returning registration, here we're clicking new students, then you can select the language of your preference. You'll see this pop up here and choose to start new registration or return to saved registration. We're going to click start new registration. So I already have all the information listed here. We're enrolling for the 21-22 school year. And once you confirm that you're not a robot and click to begin registration, you will see a pop-up. The pop-up provides your 5-digit confirmation number, and you'll write that down. So you see here, I'm not clicking previously intended, clicking I am not a robot, begin registration, and then there's your pop-up, and you will definitely want to write that number down, just in case you have to exit and return the application. Click confirm. And here, you'll type your name to confirm that you are the parent or guardian of the student with rights to enroll them into school. And then you'll click the begin button near the bottom of the page to enter the application. So first you will provide household information, and that will include the telephone number and address where you will enter the street number, street name, street tag, if there is one, city, state, and zip code. So I'm entering a phone number. Okay, next, and then entering the address. As you can see, address starts forming at the bottom, and that sometimes makes it easier to find the address that you are looking for. Of course, just creating a fictitious address so we can get this started. You can also see at the bottom, it's entering your address as how it will look when it gets into our system. You upload your proof of residence, and then once your document is embedded or uploaded, you can click Save to continue. We'll click Next. Household has no subaddress, save and continue. Now we'll enter the parent and guardian portion of the application. Now, if we want to add an additional parent or guardian, once you're done entering your information, you would select the Add New Guardian button before you select the Save and Continue. So right here, we're going to enter in your information, the primary parent. It will turn red if you have not entered in enough information. So once you've entered all the parent guardian information, you'll move on to the emergency contact information. And if you don't want to list anybody, you would just click Save and Continue and move on to the student portion. To add your student, you would click Add New Student button, and then you would begin to complete all of the boxes that have a red asterisk to it. This is also the section where you would upload the birth certificate. Enrollment grade is important. You would enter in the grade that the student will be for the 21-22 school year, or for whatever school year that you're entering them for. Clicking Heritage High School. What language you want to receive all your correspondence or information. If it's English or Spanish, you would want to put that here. You click Next to continue to the next page where you will select race and ethnicity, and then you'll hit next. After that, to update your housing status. Now, if you choose yes here, you'll have to choose an option from a list, but we'll just keep going and go to the home language, clicking English here. And basically, you would just want to read every form and every question. Now here, in the student services portion, you're asked to inform if your student has an IEP plan or a 504 in place. So if they do have one, you would want to enter that here. We're clicking no. Click next. And if your student is an incoming 10th, 11th, or 12th grader, you would click the Upload Transcript Withdraw button to provide exit grades and or transcripts. If your student is an incoming freshman, you would just click the last year they were in and click next. Then you go ahead and do the relationship you are to the student. If you're filling it out, you're the mother, father, you would click that here. And then you just, all these next ones, just want to read what it says and click the corresponding box or yes or no. Here we're adding immunizations and then reading release agreements. And just making sure that we have clicked yes or no, depending upon if we agree with what's being said or what's being written. So once that's done, you click Save and Continue, and you would submit your application. And that is basically all you need to do to make sure that you have enrolled your student. Notice the application number, write that down, 74954.